I wanted to show you guys one way I buy and trade cryptocurrency. The one exchange I use the most right now and one of the most popular is Coinbase Pro. I want to show you how to sign up and how to get some free crypto for you just like for signing up. I also wanted to make sure you guys are using Coinbase Pro and not just regular Coinbase. Alright, let's get started. So go ahead and use the link that I have in the description and you will get the $10 for depositing money. Also, you will be helping support the channel. Alright, so you're going to go ahead and fill in first name, last name, email address, password, and state that you live in, and certify how old you are. And then you'll just go ahead and create an account. Let's go ahead and do that. Okay, so we have it all filled out and we'll go ahead and create account. Okay, so it sends you an email and you have to go inside the email and click the link. You have to click the link to verify your email. Alright, so after you verify your email address, it's going to ask you for your phone number. You'll put your phone number in and you'll hit send code. And it should send you a 7-digit code and you enter it here. Alright, so you enter the code, hit submit. Okay, so we're on the next page. Now we're going to fill out this information. It wants your name, your birthday, your address, what will you use Coinbase for, what is your source of funds, employment status, 4 digits of social. Alright, so let's take a look at these questions. It's asking you what will you use Coinbase for, and there's investing, trading on other exchanges, online purchases, online payments, business. I'm probably going to go ahead and select investing. This person is investing for the long term. What is your source of funds? Occupation, investments, inheritance, mining. This person is occupation. Employment status, employed, unemployed, retired, student, self-employed. This person is retired. So now I'll go ahead and fill out the rest of the information. Alright, so we filled everything out. We'll go ahead and hit continue. Alright, so we're on the Coinbase homepage right now, and it says your referral bonus is waiting. Buy $100 in crypto to unlock your free $10 Bitcoin referral reward. So what we'll do is buy $100 in Bitcoin and then we'll get a $10 Bitcoin reward, I guess. And we have to come back and claim that here. Okay, so the mistake I've seen people make lately is that they're using Coinbase.com instead of Coinbase Pro. So what I want to do is go to Coinbase Pro. So that website is pro.coinbase.com. And so we'll just go ahead and sign in and we'll just use the same exact sign in that we just created. Okay, so here is where we're going to verify our ID. And we're going to go ahead and pick driver's license. And then we're going to go ahead and pick file upload. That's how I'm going to do it. I'm going to do it from that. You can also go ahead and do it with a webcam or mobile camera. Alright, so what I did is I just got my webcam and I took 2 pictures of the front and the back. Go ahead and upload those. Okay, now it looks like we're in, and it's asking you if we want to go to Coinbase Pro on mobile. So they have an app. I don't really ever use the app, but it's there. So, and this is better than the regular Coinbase app. Now it says USD deposits are now instant. So when you do a deposit, it immediately hits your account in Coinbase. Let's close this for now. And now we're in Coinbase Pro. After that, what we're going to want to do is add our bank account. So what we're going to do is click over here on our username, and then we're going to go to banking. And then what we're going to do is go to link new account over here, and then we're going to go to bank account, and this is actually a free way to deposit money. So next what we'll do is hit continue, and we're going to select your bank right here. So then what you'll do is you'll search for your bank and you'll connect to it basically the same way you connect to it online. And what it's going to do is ask you for your username and password. Let's go ahead and just click on Bank of America just to show you what it does. It's going to ask you for your username and password. Then you're going to hit submit, and basically it's going to let you log in to your bank from here. Let's go ahead and close this because I already have my bank account set. Then after that, what we're going to do is go back to this. You can hit this logo right here, take you back to the home screen. And then what we can do is deposit money, hit this deposit money, or deposit button. And then what we're going to do, then what you're going to do is go down to USD, click that, go to bank account, and then you're going to click your bank account right here and to default portfolio, and then you're going to click the amount that you want to deposit, let's say 100 or whatever you want to deposit. Preview deposit, click that button, and it should make you click one more button before you deposit it. But that's pretty much how you put money in your account, and then it'll hit it right away. Then you can start trading immediately. The only thing is, to withdraw it, it takes like 5 days or something. So if you want to get Bitcoin and put it on a wallet, then it's going to take 5 days for you to do that. but other than that, you can trade it up and down, or you can buy and sell with that money as right when you get it, or as soon as you deposit it here. Usually it takes like a day or two for my bank account to actually, for the deposit to go through. But yeah, I found this is one of the best ways to do it, in my opinion. It doesn't cost anything to deposit money onto Coinbase, and then you can just buy your Bitcoin. There's two different ways you can buy Bitcoin. One, you can just buy it at the price it's at right now, which would be a market order. And then another way is you could do a limit order. So if you watch my videos, I kind of show you some levels to buy, or the levels that I'm watching. So sometimes I like to watch the bottoms, and I'll put in a market limit order at those levels there instead of just buying it right now. So like right now the price is at 46,663. Sometimes I'll wait till it goes down a little bit lower. Sometimes we could put in right here, we could put in 4,000 or 43,000, and we could buy a limit order right there. I have some limit orders down here. I have one set at 42,000, one set at 41,000, one set at 30,000. So just in case it goes down there, these will get filled, and I'll buy Bitcoin at these levels. But sometimes I just like doing a market order, and I'll buy at the price it is right now. So I have some money in my account right now. I could just buy $50, put in $50 right now. I hit place buy, and if I wanted to buy right now, it would buy the price it is right now, and it will just buy it immediately. The thing about the limit orders is you have to wait until it hits those price. You have to wait until it goes down to hit those prices. So basically, when I'm trading, I usually use the limit orders, and when I'm just buying and holding, a lot of the times I'll just use a market order. Or if I think it's a good time, I'll use the market order just so I could buy it right now, and I don't have to wait around to see if it goes down. So yeah, usually when I get paid, I'll just come in here. Let's say I put in $100, maybe do $50 now, and then $50 later when maybe the price goes down, or because I like paying attention to it. If you don't want to pay attention to it, you could just put in $100 and then just put in the $100 right here, place buy. Now you have $100 worth of Bitcoin. Just do that every little while, in my opinion, and that's a good little strategy to dollar cost average. So when the price goes up and down, you'll be averaging your price out, and you could just kind of accumulate it, kind of like a digital gold savings account. I think the next step or progression after you start accumulating more Bitcoin and it starts growing in value, what you're going to want to start considering is one of these hardware wallets. So basically, these just make your Bitcoin more secure. You hold onto your passphrase, which is basically your keys to your Bitcoin. You could think of it as a password to your wallet, which actually holds all your assets. This device right here basically makes you your own bank. So if anything happened to the exchange, you wouldn't be affected. You would have your money on this device. Your money would not be on an exchange on Coinbase Pro. Now, Coinbase is pretty popular, and I actually do hold some money on there, but I try to put money on one of these. I try to take money off the Coinbase Pro when I can and put them on these. When I'm not trading, if I was just going to buy and hold, if my strategy was just to buy Bitcoin and buy and hold, what I would probably do is start accumulating on Coinbase Pro. And once it starts to grow, then buy maybe a Ledger Nano S. If you want to play with altcoins, buy a Ledger Nano X so you can get more. But if you're just going to do Bitcoin, which is a good plan, then just buy a Ledger Nano S. It's $60. And what you're going to do is then transfer from Coinbase Pro to one of these. And then your funds are more secure. Like I said, I keep some on Coinbase Pro, but I try to take some off, and I try not to put my whole lion's share. I try to keep my lion's share on a ledger, should I say. It's just something to think about as your account grows. In general, the ledger is just more secure, and it gives you complete full custody of your crypto assets. If you have any questions about Coinbase Pro or the ledger, just let me know in the comments, or we have a Discord that we could always chat. I'm usually available on there as well. So yeah, just hit me up if you have any questions. All right, if you guys liked the video, hit the thumbs up.